Hi, I'm Don. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to spend a few minutes with you talking about the ways you can advocate for public health through APHA. You know, your voice is really important for the public's health. Leaders in Congress are making decisions every day on things that affect public health. They need you to help them make the right decisions, the ones that are based on science and that will protect and improve health. Here at APHA, we rely on you, our members, to serve as advocates, to help us support legislation and actions that promote health, to fight against things that would put the public's health at risk. So every year, APHA looks at what's going on in Congress, in the White House, and at federal agencies. And we come up with key priorities that will be on the agenda, the areas we know we can have a big impact. We create tools that APHA members can use to advocate with their members of Congress. We have talking points and phone scripts. We have fact sheets and reports. We have op-eds and sample letters. Basically, we make it easy for you to advocate on public health, which is so important. Your voice matters. Our voice matters. Together, we can make sure that public health is heard loud and clear. So how can APHA help you do that? Well, APHA Action Alerts let you send a message right to your members of Congress on important issues as they're being considered. We'll send you an email letting you know when your voice matters most. Go to the Action Alerts page on the APHA website to send a message to Congress now. You can also reach out to your legislators while they're in your community. Every year in late summer and early fall, members of Congress take a break from DC. They come home and they talk to their constituents. They are home because they want to talk to you. Our FACT campaign gives you tips and tools. So you can go to town halls and public speaking events and talk to your legislators about public health. If you can't catch up with your legislators while they're home, then you could take the message to them in DC. Say you're in DC for a meeting, for APHA business, or even for a vacation. Schedule a meeting with your representative or senators while you're here. We have information to help you set up those meetings, who to contact, and what to say. And we'll give you a packet of information to take with you. You can educate your legislators about how their actions impact the health of the public. Don't know where your legislators stand on public health? Well, we can help. We have resources that can help you understand how your members of Congress voted on key public health bills and amendments. We also love to talk to APHA members in person. While you're at APHA's annual meeting, come to our sessions on advocacy. We'll tell you how you can run a successful advocacy campaign. We'll help you understand what lobbying is. We can talk to you about advocacy restrictions related to your job. We can show you how to advocate no matter who you are. Another great way to weigh in on public health issues is through APHA's policy statements. APHA has hundreds of these on the books, and they're a great advocacy resource. Our policy statements are science and evidence-based, and they're authored by you, the APHA member. Check out our policy statements calendar to find out how you can get involved. At APHA, our strength in advocacy depends on you, our members. Thank you for being a public health advocate. Find out more at apha.org.